Monda otieno manyoro. E bura mano dhi nyaka saa 6 mar otieno, Senetas nogo ombulu mar golo e apisi Dr. Monda kaka ranyisi ma chung' kod Dennis Mokaya, rawera ma Dr. Monda noremiyo tich e bad migawo mar pi e kaunti ma Kisii bang' kawo asoya mar Sh800,000 kuome. Dr. Monda nokwayo ng'uono e wi timbe mage, kata kamano ywak mare nolwar e it modinore bang' Senetas gole e apisi. Chris Owino miyowa ler.
Bang' winjo joneno kod okinde mag jalup gavana ma Kisii Dr. Robert Monda kod mago mag County Assembly ma Kisii kuom ndalo 2, Senetas ne ong'ado e twech achiel mar tero dala Dr. Robert Monda.
Section 33(7) of the County Governments Act provide as follows. If a majority of all the members of the Senate vote to uphold an impeachment charge, the Deputy Governor shall cease to hold office. Honorable Senators, the result of the divisions indicate that the Senate has upheld the following impeachment charges. Charge number 1, gross violation of the Constitution and any other law. Charge number 2, abuse of office. Charge number 3, gross misconduct. And charge number 4, crimes under national law. Now, Honorable Senators, pursuant to Article 181 of the Constitution, Section 33(7) of the County Governments Act, and the Standing Order 86 of the Senate Standing Order, the Senate has resolved to remove from office by impeachment Honorable Dr. Robert Monda, the Deputy Governor of Kisii County, and the Deputy Governor therefore ceases to hold office.
Senators Pradego chiko ne ogoyo ombulu mar yie kod od bura ma Kisii ni Dr. Robert Monda ne odhi ataro mar chike mapacho kae. Senators Pradego chiko bende ne oyudo Dr. Robert Monda kod ketho mar tiyo marach kod apisi mare e kinde ma Senators adek to ne ochung' kode.
Charge number 2, abuse of office. The ayes 39, nays 3, abstention 1. Again, the ayes have it.
E wi seyo mar ketho pend chik, Senators 34 ne oyire ni en adier ni Dr. Monda ne oketho chik.
Charge number 3, gross misconduct. The ayes 35, nays 7, abstention 1. The ayes have it.
Thoth Senators mane ogoyo ombulu mar thicho oko Dr. Robert Monda ne otimo kamano kaka ranyisi mar chung' kod Dennis Mokaya mane ombuoro ywak ewi midhiero ma Dr. Monda ne okelo ne anyuola mare bang' tamre miye tich e bad migawo mar tich e kaunti ma Kisii bang' kawo asoya mar Sh800,000 kuome.
Is the madness that money has created. Many of you have heard that God made man, and man made money, and money made man mad. The madness you are seeing in this house today, Mr. Speaker, where a father can go against his own son and a deputy governor can go against his brother in society. I move and I request the distinguished senator from Migori to second my motion for removal of Robert Monda.
Governor on the basis of lies. But today's judgment is for the young people in this country who try to tarmac so much in this country to look for jobs, and because people in power want money from them, we must show as a house that we can stand united on a bipartisan manner and stop this menace of corruption that denies young people opportunities.
The evidence is there. Everything is there, Mr. Speaker. Let us take our responsibility seriously and make the right call.
I've been a governor for 10 years and never, ever allowed my county public service board to take 10 shillings to employ anybody. Now, for 800,000 shillings to change hands for a small position. And then the answers that were supposed to be given was a ridicule to the House of trying to criminalize the young man whose desperate position has pushed him to the level.
Dennis Mokaya ne onyiso Senators ni okang' ma kamano ne omiyo min ode iye owuok kendo ketho winjruok e kinde kod min ode. Kata kamano, Dr. Monda ne otemo kwayo ng'uono bang' kwedo weche mag kawo asoya mane owach kod Dennis Mokaya, ote mane obiro modeko.
I've said it's an embarrassment as a member of parliament in the 10th parliament also that I'm here this particular time on a matter that I still call a fabrication to settle political scores of the past.
Okang' ma kamano koro keto Dr. Robert Monda kaka jalup gavana mokwongo gole apisi nyaka ne katiba mar 2010 chak tich e pacho kae. Gavana ma Kisii Simba Arati koro nigi thuolo mar gwelo jalupne manyien. Chris Owino, Ramogi TV, Nairobi.